In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-step verification in Gmail, 5 minutes. Two-step verification, also called two-step verification or 2SV, adds an extra layer of protection to your Google account. So even if someone has your password, they can't get in without a second confirmation from you. Start by opening Gmail in your browser and signing in if you aren't already. In the top right, click your profile picture to open the account menu, then choose Manage Your Google Account. This takes you to your main account settings where you control security, privacy, and personalization. From the left-hand menu, go to Security. On this page, look for the section called How You Sign In to Google. This is where your password, recovery options, and two-step settings live. Find two-step verification and select it. Google may ask you to re-enter your password here, which is normal. It's just confirming it's really you before changing important security settings. Now, follow the on-screen instructions to set up your second step. Google will guide you through common options. The easiest and most secure for most people is Google Prompts, which sends a yes or no notification to a phone that's signed into your account. You can also use an authenticator app to generate time-based codes, receive a text message or voice call with a code, or add a physical security key for maximum protection. Choose what fits your needs and confirm when prompted. If you use a phone, make sure it's unlocked and connected so you can approve the prompt during setup. As you proceed, you may be offered backup options. These are important. Backup codes can be printed or saved securely and used if you ever lose your phone. It's a good idea to store them somewhere safe and not on the same device you use to sign in. You can also add a second method like an authenticator app in addition to phone prompts, so you're not locked out if one method isn't available. After you finish the on-screen steps, two-step verification will be turned on for your account. To confirm everything's working, you can sign out and sign back in. You should be asked for your second step after entering your password. If you're on a shared or public computer, avoid choosing options that remember the device. Periodically review your trusted devices and revoke any you no longer use. Finally, make sure your recovery email and phone are up to date in your account settings so you can regain access if needed. That's it. You've successfully enabled two-step verification for Gmail and significantly strengthened your account security.